Welcome back to the Vivint Demo House. My name is Uni, and today I'm here to introduce a product that so many of you have been asking for. Meet the Vivint Chime Extender, your Doorbell Camera Pro's new best friend. Have you ever found yourself in a room where you can't really hear your doorbell ring? With the Vivint Chime Extender, that's a thing of the past. It seamlessly extends your doorbell chimes and select system alerts from your smart hub to every corner of your home so that you don't miss anything. This is a super simple product to install yourself. All you need to do is plug it into any power outlet, sync your chime extender with the app, and voila! Plus, you can add as many as you want to your home to give you the coverage you need. I'd recommend placing one in any room where it's hard to hear your doorbell. We know how much you love our seasonal holiday chimes. With the Vivint Chime Extender, we're making them better. Imagine this, it's the holidays and someone rings your doorbell. Your Vivint Chime Extender will automatically ring the joy of the holiday throughout your home. Now that's magic. Never miss an alert or chime by installing the Vivint Chime Extenders in your home today. Check them out in the link below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. See you soon.